Good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new video. Today is, well, it's bright and early this morning. It's 7:30 a.m. and what is it, August 2nd, 2025. I am heading out to go view a new car. I'm going on my way to pick up my brother. We're driving to Blackpool to view a Honda CRX. So that's going to be hopefully, will be the car that we pick up. This is going to be the second one I've looked at. I drove down a little bit down into London to look at a red one, which didn't really meet my criteria. So now I'm going to look at the silver one. This is all the way in Blackpool. It's owned by an 84-year-old gentleman. I'm meeting his brother-in-law. I think I'm meeting to look at the car. The person that owns the car, Frank, 84-year-old guy, won't be there because it's his car, but he can't drive anymore. He's lost his driver's license. He's not able to get his driver's license, so that's why they're selling the car now. He's had it for, I believe, 28 years, so it's been a long time. So he's a little reluctant to sell it. Yeah, I don't know if I said that right. Anyway, we're driving to Blackpool. It's about a 3-hour drive, 160 something miles. I'm just about now to go pick up my brother. He's going to be in the road trip with us. We're kind of excited. It's an adventure. I've never been to Blackpool. I've heard good and bad things. So we're going to go check it out. And I'll take you guys along for the journey. So stay tuned. New car in the garage.
Just fits in. Yeah. You couldn't get anything any bigger in there, could you? In the garage down the end here, it's got brand new doors and everything.
Not too bad. Video of it. Okay.
See you in a bit.
See you in a bit. Again.
Yeah, thank you.
Alright, we're coming out. What are we going in?
Oh, you got to find it.
Where's it at?
I think you've seen it already.
Huh?
I think you've seen it already. Well, let's walk around this way,
I gotta
John.
lock my door then.
Oh, lock your door then.
I haven't seen it yet. If it's the van, if that's that panel truck, you're going on your
It's
own.
not the panel truck,
You're
I
going
can
on your
promise you
own.
that.
You're going on your own.
It's definitely not the panel truck. Hopefully it's still there. No one's nicked it, so I left the door open.
You left the door?
Well, I left the doors unlocked and the windows down, because it's,
Okay.
it doesn't have certain things.
Okay. All
Oh,
right.
don't look that direction. Just kind of come around the corner and get a good focus in on it. Don't look. You just
don't
looked.
look. Okay.
We'll come around the corner and get a
Okay,
full.
I'm
You're getting teaser looks.
Oh, God.
You're getting teaser looks.
Where are we looking? Where are we going at? You got a CRX. You did buy a CRX.
I did buy a CRX.
You bought that guy's CRX.
I bought that guy's CRX.
You did buy it.
I did.
So you bought it on the way back.
I bought it on the way back.
So they decided to sell it to you.
Yes. That's her.
Okay.
So we're cruising in that.
Okay.
I've already had like 3 thumbs up in the village
Yeah.
just driving by. So
So the guy sold it to you.
he did. The old guy, yeah, drove it to me. Yeah. In the end.
In the end.
In the end, yeah.
Okay.
In the end.
All right. Okay. Cool.
Cool. So we're heading to where we're going?
We're going to
Gasoline and juice in
Yeah,
this.
In this.
So we'll see if we get some attention in it.
Yeah. Oh yeah. It's gonna be interesting.
Yeah, it's definitely going to be
So you
interesting.
drove it all the way back from.
Yeah, 3 hours.
So wait a minute.
4 hours actually because of traffic.
Is it north or south?
Oh, it's Blackpool, so it's north.
North. Okay.
Yeah.
So you stopped.
All right, well, let's get going. We'll get to caffeine and machine. Oh, it's gasoline and juice, and we'll talk about the car while we're in there. All right, guys, here is the new project car for the channel. This is my new 1989 Honda CRX. It's the 1.6 non-VTEC, dual overhead cam, makes about 130 horsepower from the factory. Yeah, and this is our new project car that I'm going to be working on. It's pretty good shape from when I bought it. It's got a few things that need sorting, but for the most part, it's very clean. It's silver. There's not too much rust on it. Very little, actually. So I purchased it from a 85-year-old man that has owned it for 30 years, well, 29 years. and he's decided to let it go because he is driving, couldn't pass his driving test. So now I've got her. So yeah, it's really good shape. No rust on the sunroof panels. They're pretty notorious for that. Mind all these bugs. I don't know where they came from. Yeah, oh, my brother's got his bag in there. We'll take that out. But yeah, the interior is really good shape. There's a few things. This seat's good, but this seat, because the previous owner was short, so he had extra padding put in the seat, so I got to take that out. I'm going to remove that. It's got aftermarket tape player in it, which that's coming out. So there's a few things I need to do to it. You know, other than that, it's a really clean car. Been trying to find one for quite a long time, and me and John been driving all over the world trying to find one. And I think we saw a total of 3 cars we looked at. We came across this one, and then I had to wait for the owner to let it go because he was hesitant. So yeah, it's really good. There's a few marks here and there on the paint. You know, I would say it's a good 5-footer. Good 5 foot from a distance. It looks like a really good, very clean, but when you get a little closer, there's blemishes in the paint, but that's okay. It's a driver's car. I'm gonna be driving it. So yeah, that's pretty much her. So there's a lot of plans for it. I'm gonna do suspension. I've got some wheels coming. I gotta be careful. Yeah, so we're gonna do suspension to it. We're gonna redo all the suspension. I got brakes to do because the brakes are actually horrible. So there's a good 5 mil, I want to say, lip on the disc here, at least 5 mil. So I gotta get some new brakes. I'm thinking about upgrading them to a larger brake kit, but they need to be able to fit behind these wheels for now. I'm gonna pop the bonnet. John's gonna do that. So we'll show what's under the hood. So yeah, so it's a really clean example, I think. You know, it's got 150,000 miles on it, so not too bad. John's gonna struggle to open that because it's not the easiest one. It's there. It's literally where you are. He'll get it in a couple weeks, and we'll show him the hood. I'll screenshot that. John's trying to find the bonnet latch for an hour. Yeah, he's gonna struggle. Hopefully he doesn't break anything trying to find it. There, he's got it. There we go. Hey! Oh, John. Yeah, that's because he likes to put grease. The previous owner liked to grease everything. So if you look at the accelerator cable, yeah. Sorry, John. Put the hood prop up. It's there.
No, I was just I didn't know how long we were going to have it open.
Oh, yeah. So it needs some work under the bonnet. I need to clean up a bit. It does have a little bit of an oil leak here, which I'm going to fix. It needs a new radiator. The radiator's kind of damaged down in the bottom there. If you look down there, you can see the radiators coming apart. So we'll be getting a new radiator for it. Yeah, so for the most part, this is an aftermarket radio alarm system. It's from 1991, so it's probably something that was put on pretty much after new. So yeah, so that's everything. I haven't really gone into detail onto the bonnet, to be honest. I've just kind of overlooked at it, make sure there's no really rust or any corrosion under here. It looks like the battery tray's got a little bit of rust on it, but I can sort that. And there's a little bit of, but that's all cosmetic stuff. I'm not too worried about that. So yeah, I'm going to put a new cap and rotor on it because it's got a little bit of a miss. New spark plug wires. So yeah, so it's going to be quite a project.
NGK, baby.
NGK, yeah. So I mean, even the thing under here looks pretty good. It's not too bad. It's a little bit ripped there, but that's not too bad for what, 38-year-old car. Yeah. It needs cleaning up. Obviously, I'll get some paint clean up and see if I can polish that up a bit. But yeah, I've only had it now. This is the second day. Well, I haven't even had it 24 hours yet. Yeah, because I didn't buy it till about now. No, maybe 24 hours now. So yeah, so I'm going to take this stuff off. So that was the last time it was. That's the last time in England you needed to show a tax on your window. You don't do that anymore. It's all online. But yeah, it's a good example. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Give me a guess of what wheels you think I've purchased. So yeah, and give me some suggestions on suspension. I'm thinking about doing shocks and springs, not coilovers, because I want to maintain a decent ride, a nice comfortable ride. I don't want to ruin the ride. So because it's going to be driven, I want to drive this thing. I want to put 200,000 miles on it. Get 50,000 miles on it in the next 2 or 3 years. See how it goes. But yeah, so So yeah, so give me a suggestions on the comments what you guys think suspension I should do. You know, I used to have one, a red CRX back in the States 25 years ago. So back then you did Takiko struts and new speed springs. They didn't have, yeah, that shows my age. They didn't have coilovers back then, you know. They did, but they were for race cars, I would imagine. Yeah, it's got some, I don't know what wheels these are, but they're gonna be up for sale soon. So yeah, I'm gonna get some money, recoup some money from the project. So yeah, so we're gonna head home now. We're just over here at Gasoline and Juice, just bringing it out for its little maiden trip. Yeah, still got stickers on the back there, but yeah, it's a good clean example. It's ready to be souped up a bit, but not performance-wise. Souped up as maintenance and cleaning it up and just making it a good all-around CRX. So yeah, daily driver kind of thing. Yeah, so stay tuned for more content about the CRX. All right, guys, I'm going to end the video there of the introduction of the new project car, the CRX. So stay tuned. We've got a lot planned for this car. Just getting started. So stay tuned for future videos. If you want to follow along, hit the notification bell. That will tell you when there's a new video up. And remember to like and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys on the next video.